I think I'm getting a little bit of headache. It's definitely harder to breathe here. Yeah, it's a cliff on one side. If you make a mistake, you're dead. Looking for a bus to Jispa. This is a bus to Jispa. It's 9:10 in the morning. I'm on a bus to Jispa. There's only one bus that goes to Jispa from Manali. One bus a day. It's a 9 o'clock bus. Bus ticket from Manali to Jispa is 355 rupee. So beautiful here. The bus stop north of Jispa. I'm walking towards the town of Jispa. It's a beautiful walk. The altitude here is 3289 meters. Just gotta be careful, go slowly. This water is coming from the mountain, Himalayan mountain water. Let me take a sip. I'm sure it's very clean. I decided to stay at Padma Lodge. This lodge has a lot of good reviews. This is the on-site restaurant. This is the outdoor seating, back of the restaurant. What a beautiful view from the restaurant. Some animals in the back grazing. Good morning, it's 5:15 a.m. Look at this beautiful, majestic mountain. I'm standing in front of the lodge, waiting for a bus that left Keelung. It's 6:19 a.m. I am finally on the bus. I've been waiting out on the road for over an hour. Very cold. I'm finally on the bus. It's 8:22 a.m. and we are out of the bus for a short break. The view. What can I say? Oh my goodness. 4720 meters above sea level. I think I'm getting a little bit of headache. It's definitely harder to breathe here. We are at the 4775 meter mark, and there's a lake. I am having breakfast at 4683 meter altitude. This is very high and I'm having some heartburn issue right now.
मैगी बन रहा है भैया, थोड़ा
So
मैगी
hard
में
for me
टाइम
to
लगता है
breathe. Look at how narrow this bridge is. It's 11:43 a.m. We stopped for a quick toilet break. Look how narrow the road is. This road is very narrow and it's incredibly dangerous, as you can see. It's beautiful but incredibly dangerous at the same time. It's a cliff on one side. If you make a mistake, you're dead. Look at the cliff. Look at the cliff to the right side of the road. There's no guardrail here. We are taking a 30-minute break in a small village of Pang. Water looks very clear from up here. It's 8:32. Just arrived in Leh. Got on the bus at 6:18 a.m. this morning, so it took more than 14 hours. Finally here. I got no internet connection. I have to figure out how to get to lodging from here.